Okay, you're here because you want free music for your YouTube videos with no copyright issues, right? Well, I got your back, because right now I'm going to spill my top favorite websites with free music that you can use in your YouTube videos. Let's jump in. As mentioned before, all of these sites I'm about to go over give you free access to music, which is 100% copyright and royalty free, meaning you can use them in your YouTube videos worry-free. Now, by free, I mean free in the sense that you don't need to exchange money for the privilege to use them. However, there is a catch. The catch is that in order to use these free music tracks in your video, you're usually required to include an attribution. This just means giving credit to the artist or provider, and generally this is done somewhere within your video description. Don't worry, it's easy. We'll touch on that again in a minute. But for now, let's get to the first free music site on the list, and that is the YouTube Audio Library. To find this, go to your YouTube Studio. Then on the left, about halfway down the menu column, select Audio Library. Once opened, you will find a few options: free music, sound effects, and starred. Starred is kind of like a playlist where you can save your favorite tracks. To preview a track, click the play button on the left. If you want to save a particular track, just click the star. Now, this is important. Always be sure to check the license type. This is where you will find whether or not attribution is required. Most of what you will find in YouTube's audio library does not require any attribution, which makes this a really easy option to get free music. Now, if you do run across a track that an attribution is required, follow the directions. Like most sites, this is usually as easy as copying the provided attribution and pasting it somewhere within your YouTube's video description. Pretty easy. To download, hover your cursor over the date the track was added, and then click download. YouTube's audio library has a great selection of free music to choose from, and they are constantly adding new free tracks. Be sure to check it out. Next on the list, we have freestockmusic.com. To get here, just search freestockmusic.com, and don't forget the dashes. Once you're on the site, use the search tool to find the music that you're looking for. Sample the music track by clicking the play button on the left. If you find a song that you'd like to add to your video, click the green bar that says Free Download. This brings you to a couple options. If you hover over the free option, you will notice an attribution requirement pop up. Just simply follow the directions by copying and pasting the provided attribution within your YouTube video description. Freestockmusic.com is a great option to consider for free tunes because it's fast. No signups, no account, nothing. Just credit the artist, add the track to your video, and you're all set. This site is worth checking out. Okay, next on the list is Thematic. To get here, search hellothematic.com. Now with Thematic, you do have to sign up for a free account. This is easy and just involves signing in with your Google account and attaching your YouTube channel. Once signed up, you can either search for specific music or browse through your very own personalized music recommendations. It's important to note that any tracks you see with a black diamond are reserved for premium accounts, and they are not free. Attribution is currently required for all music available on this site. To preview music, just click on the track and the song will begin playing for you. To save a track to a playlist, simply click the plus icon to the right. To download, click the download icon, and the track will begin downloading instantly. Again, don't forget to credit the artist. Do this by clicking the YouTube icon. It will automatically copy the provided attribution to your clipboard, and you can then paste that into your video description. Thematic makes it easy to keep track of all of your attribution links by having a designated licenses and promo links page that you can refer back to anytime. This site has many great features. Be sure to give it a try. Okay, and last, but certainly not least on the list, we have Bensound. Here at bensound.com, you can create an account, but it's not a requirement. This can be very handy if you're looking for free music in a hurry. Search for the music that you're looking for and click the play button to sample. By clicking the download button, you will be given a couple options. For the free version, just be sure to give credit to Bensound within your video description. Also worth noting that when you're browsing through the music selections on this site, some tracks are not available for free, and these will be very obvious, as they do not have a download option, but only an option to purchase. Bensound has fantastic selections of high-quality free music that can be used immediately without any signups. Give them a try. If you continue using music often in your videos, I would really urge you to consider exploring some of the paid options and their benefits. So if you know of another great site to get free music for your YouTube videos, please let me know in the comments. I hope this video helps you along your way to creating some amazing content. Thanks for watching.